Guys, when I tell you, when I drink this herbal bitter in the morning, just before I take anything else, I mean, I can have a glass of water, but once I take this thing on an empty stomach, it's so good for, not making me feel hungry. And also, when I take it before I go to sleep, there is no bloating and it flushes me out. So right now I'm just getting my regular herbal bitter drink that I drink to aid in my weight loss journey. This is currently my royal Moroccan tea. There is literally everything in this tea, and it's antioxidant, it's anti-inflammatory. This tea is wonderful. This is my Bioforce. I got this from watching Tasha K. I don't know if you guys know, but she's a popular news YouTuber. One day she was doing some advertisement and it sounded really good because Bioforce is a company who do organic sea moss, and then they have vaginal clean ball that you can use, herbal bath bombs. They have different products. This is sea moss. Obviously sea moss, if you guys know, it's really good for your skin. It's if you want to look younger, CMOS is your go-to friend because according to what CMOS is known for, is good for just the skin and retaining the elasticity of the skin, and collagen. You get collagen from meat. A lot of the time I don't eat meat anymore, so I need collagen to make sure that my skin is still looking young. Okay, and also there's moringa in there, but I have my moringa powder covered. This is pure organic moringa powder. The link to the website or where you can get this exact moringa powder will be in the description. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. So let's so that's the moringa. I'll take the seed, I take the powder in my smoothies, and in everywhere else I can pretty much put it in. That is the royal tea. There's rose buds, there's rosemary, there's cinnamon, there's ginger root, there's turmeric, there's so many ingredients in there that it literally covers everything, and you only need a very small amount when you're brewing your tea. So it's very potent. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. It aids in curbing hunger. If you're feeling hungry, just drink that and then it'll curb it. If you suffer from bloating, this will be good. You can drink it throughout the day. I drink this at least 2 times a week. That's not my everyday tea because, like I said, the tea it's a medicinal tea, but it's very, very nice as well with a bit of honey. Oh my goodness, it's perfect. And you can mix this as well with peppermint tea or green tea. So you don't boil this tea, you just kind of steam it. So be careful. Make sure if you ever buy this tea, because you can get it online, that you really read the instructions on how to consume the tea, because there is so many ingredients in there. You really have to read how to consume it. But that's what I take to aid in my weight loss journey during the week, to kind of keep me going, give me the right vitamins, give me the antioxidants that I need. This is the herbal bitter that I was telling you in the beginning. It's very, very bitter. So if you're not into your bitter drinks, you're gonna struggle. I would suggest that you do dilute it. You can get this in most African stores, or you can order online. Make sure it is from a reputable certified company so that your drink is legit. So I usually have a shot of this with a shot of lemonade, and then I have it. But if you don't want the bitter taste, you can actually put this, if you're making smoothies, you can put it in there. If you're making drinks, you can put it in there, but just be mindful that it is bitter. It might overpower your own drinks. So I have that with the lemon and then I take it together and I'm good to go. The morning I'm flushed out, and during the day I can just have it throughout. But these are my supplements that I take during my weight loss journey. These are, you know, Bioforce. It's 120 capsule. Who knows when I'll get it again, but everything else